In this video, I'm going to show you how to back mount a camera. A back mounted camera just means that the robot flange is going to be at the back of the camera. This type of mounting is really good for if you're going to be doing a lot of barrel rolls or just excessive rolling that you wouldn't normally do. It's really nice if you're doing a vertical orbit or any other shot really that uses a lot of rotation on your joint 6. So I'm going to show you how to do it. It's not too bad, but it does require some extra hardware. So first thing we're going to do is I'm going to take off the dovetail and clamp, and we're going to keep those screws because we're going to use those to mount our L bracket. Just for your information, this is a 7/32 hex tool. I've got this off. I'm just going to set it aside. We're not going to use that for this. And now I'm going to put on the L bracket. I recommend this one. This is Wooden Camera's mini vertical camera bracket. I've tried a couple of different ones. This is the one that's worked best for me. This is the one that I'm going to recommend for you to use. So now I'm just going to use those same screws, and I'm going to mount 2 of those. I'm going to use 2 of those to tighten it down to the cheese plate. Okay, so I got that L bracket on. Now is when you put the camera on. Again, this depends a lot on your camera. What I'm gonna do, what I've found works for this camera, is actually mounting to the top. So that's what I'm gonna use. These screws are just the ones that came with the robot with the wooden camera bracket. So let's go ahead and put those in. Okay, I've got it on there. It's nice and tight. We recommend minimizing this space behind here. You want it as close to the robot flange as you can get. I had to bump it out a little bit because my lens was running into the plate, but I wouldn't really want to extend it out much further than we see here. Also, you know, as you're mounting it, make sure that your camera's nice and straight. If there's a little bit of play, depends on the camera, depends on your screws. So this is looking good. I'm ready to power up and get the SDI cable on there. Okay, so all I did here, I took this SDI cable that I could find, and I connected it right here at this point in the robot, and plug that into your camera, of course. And power comes out here on this D-tap on the combo cable. So I've got an adapter to go from D-tap to my camera. And now I'm ready to get my fizz motors and ready to roll.